Bună, eu sunt Catrin și acum reacționez împreună cu voi la un videoclip nou. El se numește Top Dragons I Will Never Train. Dacă vă place, nu uitați să dați un like și haideți să începem.
Absolutely love How to Train Your Dragon and every series that came after it because it shows how a chance encounter can change your world around you. Our Hiccup's theory was correct that dragons can be trained. I wholeheartedly disagree with him that all dragons need to be trained. So here's the start of top 10 dragons I would never train. But yeah, we're definitely starting this off with the Whispering Death. Yeah, because on God, I thought this was a fever dream from my childhood, but apparently not. Someone at DreamWorks really said, hey, let's traumatize some kids today. Because this thing is nothing but like, bro, did you actually see the episode for these things? They're terrifying. I would look at you crazy as hell for trying to train with it. First of all, these things have shit vision. So they just open up and blast at anything they see. All jokes aside, how would one even ride this thing? Whip all the hell off flying. And then on top of that, this creature is not even spikes. And then these things hate light and are hyper aggressive to other dragons. This guy is a definite nope on my list, big dog. Folks, it's about that time. Top 10 dragons I would never train, part 2. Yeah, your boy definitely wouldn't be seeking out a Skuldron. These are the most annoying dragons out of the entire series. You have a highly aggressive territorial dragon that spits boiling hot water mixed with poison. And I would never train a water dragon. I swear the effort is just not worth it with these deadly creatures. I'm not getting boiled alive for this thing. Like Shellfire and Submarip are the only two dragon classes in title I won't diss. I mean, good lord, if Rough Nut and Tough Nut can train this thing, then I don't want it. I'm wholeheartedly convinced the only reason it listened to them was because they smelled like fish. Oh, folks, it's about that time. Another top 10 dragons I would never train. Part 3. Well, today we're talking about a flying death sentence, the Skrill. Why would I want a dragon that only appears during bad storms? Then on top of that, this thing wakes up hating everything. First of all, you need a pretty strong dragon to survive this. Only the extremely power of a Skrill. This dragon is so powerful it can solo an entire squad of dragon riders. The only thing that can match its lightning blast was Toothless Plasma Blast, and even that didn't shake him. These things control and ride lightning and won't stop until you're dead. This is one of the few that can actually make lightning slab.
Am uitat să spun că dragonul ăsta e foarte inteligent. Da, el mult. Nu putea să scape. Ca să nu poate să le adute. Serios? Spinii-iuți. Of this fast. Cum te simți când ești complet împietit ca o statuie? Fiecare parte din corpul tău complet înghețat. Acest dragon sunt doar nocturni. Și practic sunt inutili fără ăla. Serios? Wow. Și pot mișca foarte rapid. Oh, vai. Foarte periculos. Demoni. Serios? Poate atunci? Privește pe țipătul morții. Țipătul morții. Nu. N-am mai fiu. E foarte rapid. Pe bune. Poate să le anunțe țepi și bile de foc. Dacă ești culează să te apropii de ăsta și cred că poți să-l îmblândești, el se mai tale. Și apoi pup. Serios? Discat din ascuțiți. Ce urmează? Paracosmalul. Pe bune? Orbeste?
because of the fact that they can paralyze you with fear and their mixed breath. This dragon is so deadly it only appears every 10 years. And them lights are in the sky, they know it's time to die, so they would rather evacuate than fight that thing. But the main thing about this dragon is that it kind of sucks overall. Sure, it looks scary, but when you honestly think about it, it's trash. Its only abilities are making other dragons glow with this spit, or literally scaring the shit out of you. I mean, the blinding is very effective, but only like for a few seconds. And then on top of that, it's missed breath. Even if you get hit, you're only paralyzed for a few moments.
puțin timp. Da, nu ai nevoie de puțin cât timp ca să te atace.
Plus, you are a flying target if you were riding this dragon. Like, bro just got hit with this mist. 4 seconds later, he's good. Folks, it's about that time. Time for another top 10 dragons I would never train. Part 7. Sir, I would never train a
Da, nici eu n-aș împlânge unul.
Dragons are ugly as sin to me.
E ce mai e zanic?
Like, bro, when you look up some of the illustrations for
zici că sunt demoni. Dar când îi vezi în serial, sigur, e loial, dar e tare lent. Mai degrabă un câine decât un dragon.
Understatement for these dragons. These things are so lazy they can legit fall asleep on you mid-flight. I'm not trying to be with a dragon that has a touch of narcolepsy. Then on top of that, I think the Gronkle's accomplishment as a whole was ganging up on the Screaming Death. That's legit the only props I'm giving these garbage pail kids. Yeah, Gronkle is a no for me, big dog. Folks, it's about that time. Time for another top 10 dragons.
Aha, legina dragonilor.
Yeah, a dragon that I would never train.
Moarte alosie. Dar cine nu avea un dragon gigantic? Nevoie de o armată de dragon ca să hrănească pe asta. Știm că e foame. Legina dragonilor. Ce mai mare. Pe bune, dacă îi pus în luneta asta ceva, el te invincibil.
This creature. Their dragon should not have even been able to fight against this thing. And it has massive glaring weaknesses all over this thing. Like, honestly, Hiccup was a genius. If you have a dragon that's way faster than this thing, just target its big body. High-key, the only thing that hindered Hiccup in this fight is the fact that Toothless is a cripple. Any dragon that has gas buildup for its attack is ass to me, because this can happen at any time. R.I.P. this bloated little dragon. Folks, is about that time. Time for another top 10 dragons I would never train. Part 9. Today we're talking about the mysterious.
Când te comoți, mă, cât dragon diselealul ăsta moarte în lumele lor.
Yeah, this dragon is quite honestly one of the most annoying ones I've seen out of the series. First of all, the main way to train these things in the first place is
cânte, cântece, că dacă nu-ți place cântecul, se schimbă cu... Sunt foarte drăguți că sunt pui, dar e diferit atunci când e adult. Că dacă e lovit, e loc terminat. Dacă vezi dragonul ăsta, e loc terminat. Nu e loc terminat. Cânte cât de curând, dar dacă nu-i place, el e mort. Nu-i pasă nimeni cât de pui.
Well, folks, it's about that time. Time for another top 10 dragons I would never train. Part 10. Today we're talking about one of the deadliest and most elusive dragons out there. The Snow Wraith. Can you believe this ugly mug is in the Strike class?
Yeah, the Snow
Wraith is in the same class as Toothless. Yeah, they even come equipped with Plasma Blast. Yeah, one thing about even going up against them, that these things are tireless hunters and they won't stop until you're dead. Yeah, I would never want to train a dragon that gave me this much frustration. Then to even find these hoes, you have to go through an entire blizzard. While they have incredible digging skills and great senses, these guys are only viable in snowy areas because of their shit vision. Going through a tundra, probably freezing to death, is not worth getting a Strike class. That's all the way dead. Especially not for this snaggletooth field goal head-ass dragon.
Ei bine, ăsta a fost videoclipul. Să fiu sincer, dintre ăstea toți, ar fi vrut dacă ați putea vrea să-l îmblânze pe țipătul morții, pentru că e preferatul meu. Dar dacă v-a plăcut videoclipul, nu uitați să dați un like, să-mi spuneți în comentarii care dintre acești dragoni ar vrea voi să-l îmblânziți. Bine, să-mi spuneți în comentarii. Deci noi ne vedem data viitoare. Pa, pa!